Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's the Bass God. Hey, I got some progress done today. I got all my bass amps wired up. I had to re-drill some holes, but I finally got them all drilled, so all those are wired up. And all these are one-ohm models too, so I'll be running all my subs at one-ohm, or each pair at one-ohm. So each amp is going to be on a pair of the FISP4s. So these two is gonna be for the right side, and those two is gonna be for the left side. I also finally got my other amps hooked up. I got the scars that hooked up already. I got both of the 3500s hooked up. Haven't ran a power wire. I'm waiting for my wire to come in Monday, so that's gonna be coming in. So all my mids and my highs are wired up as far as the speakers and RCAs is concerned. And then over here, I got my PW1600s. This is going to be going on my kick panels, and it's the other one is going to be going on my center console. So I'll have one for the kicks and one for the center console. Basically, them 10s that I have, and the 6.5s that I have in my kicks. So that's what these are for. And of course, I got the Helix DSP.3. So I'm done for the day. I've been up wiring this thing since 7:30, taking the subs out, re-drilling holes. Each sub having their own, or each pair having their own independent run. So right now, I mean, everything's looking good. And tomorrow will probably be the first test of these subs coming on, or the amps coming on. So, and I'm gonna have a bass, not a bass, but I'm gonna have a remote turn on switch that will turn these amps on. Whenever I just press a button, these amps only will come on, or they'll come off whenever I decide I want to turn them off. The rest of my amplifiers are remote turn on from the vehicle. So these are the only amps that I can cut on and off. So that's the update, you guys. And like I said, tomorrow's gonna be power and ground wiring, and I'll be giving y'all an update on that. All right, later, YouTube.